It already looks so much more youthful. What the hell is going on here? Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and this one has been a long time coming because I know I announced this video probably maybe 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago on my community tab on my YouTube page, which if you guys don't know, I actually post on there a lot. I'm gonna be doing the Korean glass skin tutorial, but for textured and porous skin. All the other tutorials that I've been seeing have been on people that do have nicer skin and stuff, but I don't think I've seen like a process that is made for textured skin like mine. I'm gonna kind of zoom in because my face is honestly dry right now. I just did my oil cleanser plus my water-based cleanser in the shower. I'm gonna be using all of my other skincare products now, mostly the 10-step skincare system. And then I'm gonna be going in with how I do my makeup for this process, and it's gonna be very minimal, mostly natural, and just focusing on the texture of my skin and making my skin look youthful. Let's get into this video. I'm super excited to get started. And I'm not even zoomed in all the way, but you can definitely see how textured my skin is. I do have a small pimple right here that I've been trying to get rid of for the past 3 days now, but it's literally almost gone. So this is the before. Okay, so basically for this, you have to take this tool here, and literally right now it's just like tingling on my skin. I'm not getting like a chemical tingling sensation. It's mostly just the product kind of bubbling on my skin. But this is a resurfacing foam with hydroxy acids from Dr. BRANDT. I love this stuff. It makes your skin feel really, really smooth. I'm just trying to like prep my skin for this entire process. I'm gonna take this and just kind of like scrape off the dead skin cells. Okay, so I'm back and I have my Biore charcoal cleansing micellar water, and for me it helps a lot, and it just takes all of the excess dead skin cells off. I'm going to continue with my exfoliation with using my BHA Skin Perfecting 2% liquid. Yeah, I got this also from Paula's Choice for those of you that wanted to know. I already sent out the stuff to the winner, and yeah, I sent them the entire kit recently, and I was really happy to do that. It took me a while to send it out, but I finally did. You can see like it's not that dirty either, because I've really made sure that I'm trying to really take care of my skin and not have anything left over on it. And now my skin feels a lot better after only doing 2 steps of this routine. It just feels a lot smoother now. The toner that I'm going to be using is the Wonder Pore Freshener. And yeah, this whole Wonder Pore line is basically for large pores and textured skin. I used this when I was back in Japan. I also bought this in my last trip in Japan. I bought the emulsion cream as well as the toner, and I feel like the toner is okay. I don't really notice that much of a difference, but I just use it just because, and I haven't really used it that frequently as far as the 10-step process yet. And next, I'm going to be going in with my essence from SK2. It's their facial treatment essence. I do prefer essences that have more of a gel-like texture, or more of like a serum / gel-like texture, because I think for me it just works really well on my skin, and it really works well to hydrate it. But I do have something similar to that that's more in a serum form, which is going to be this. So I'm just going to put some of this on here. If you guys want to know what my skin type is, it's mostly oily. Okay, next I'm going to be using my Ginger Vitamin C Serum Shot. This is by Sweet Chef. I think it's a Korean brand. My friend Ivan gave it to me to try out, and I absolutely love this. And this one does not feel overly oily either. I'm gonna follow up with another serum that I love, which is from INNISFREE. This is the Intensive Hydration Serum. This is on days where it's gonna be a lot lighter as far as your makeup. We're not doing a full face here, so don't worry about that. And this is made with green tea seed. I'm gonna let my skin kind of just sit for a bit, and I'm gonna put on my KLAIRS Vitamin C Boosting Radiance and Glow. It can be used as a moisturizer. It does also enhance the effects of vitamin C as well. This is a coffee bean eye cream from Beauty by Earth, and I've been using this every day. Honestly, my circles have gotten a lot better underneath my eyes, and yeah, I love this stuff. I've been using eye cream morning and night religiously for the past few months because I was really terrible about using this in general, but I've gotten used to it, and I prefer to do it just because I think it makes your eyes feel moisturized underneath and not dry, because mine tend to feel more dry. And that's pretty much it for my skincare. Now I'm gonna move on to makeup for you guys, and we're really gonna target the pores. I'm gonna be going in with my MAC MINERALIZE Time Check Lotion. Also really good for mattifying the skin as like a prep before you put on your primer. I do really like this a lot. It might seem like I'm trying to mattify my skin. I'm just trying to make my pores appear a lot smaller and smoother, like my whole texture just smooth it out. I'm not necessarily trying to make it super matte, so just keep that in mind. I'm just doing this strictly for the makeup. I'm gonna be going in with my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, and this is really gonna help us get that silky look. I know there is a dupe out there from e.l.f. recently that people have tried out and it's worked just as good, and it's only $8. This is running for $52, and I just bought this the other day. Scrape them out. It actually goes a long way. And then press it into your skin. We obviously lost some of that dewiness, but there's still some left. You can see some moving around. I'm just kind of using my lawn comb stick on my cheek area right here, literally just where I see the most texture, and I'm just kind of rubbing it over that. And then next, I'm gonna be going in with a BB cream that I got from Wet n Wild. I'm probably gonna be applying this with my fingers, so I'm not gonna be using too much, but let me kind of pat this in more. I actually got this as a PR package. I'm not gonna probably show the entire thing. It's a lot, but it looks really cute. I did have to mix in 2 of the colors because like there was only 1 dark shade. So the shade range for me, at least what they sent me, was very limited. There was like 1 dark shade and the other ones were like medium dark or medium deep and stuff. So I mixed my own version and made my own color for this. Love the formula, so I hope that they come out with more shades. They shouldn't have the shades to begin with. So I'm also going to be using Diva by Diva Set, and this is her CC cushion, and this is in 500Y Makeda. I'm gonna kind of highlight my face with this CC cream, or this CC cushion, because again, we're going for like just like a natural finish. I don't want to go in with like my other like Tarte highlighter and stuff. Go in with some powder, but I don't want to overdo it. So I have my 3CE powder right here by Style Nanda, and this is in soft brown, I think, and I usually use it underneath my eyes. It doesn't feel really heavy on my skin, so. Okay. And next, I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty STIX to contour just a little bit. And one thing I kind of want to try out, honestly, for this entire look is the WOWDER, because it does really help a lot with pores as well. So I'm going to see how this looks and just go in on that. Like my face just feels really smooth after this powder. I just want to brighten my eyes up just a little bit with this concealer because my eyes are looking kind of dull here. So I'm just gonna do that. I can see like after one little use of the Shape Tape, it goes such a long way. I think now I'm gonna go in with the face gloss by Milk Makeup because my skin feels really soft right now because we've already minimized our pores. And the cool thing about this is it's not disrupting or separating my makeup that I just put on. This is really pretty, so I'm definitely going for that natural glossy look today. It definitely just gives a more youthful look. I feel like I'm gonna put some of the gloss in my lids too. I was gonna do an eyeshadow look with this, but I want to see how I look with like a nice glossy lid. I'm just gonna also kind of blend the product in right here because I do have this breaking point where it's more matte underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna be going in with my mascara. I'm not gonna be putting on any eyeliner on my face. Throughout the day, if you guys want to, you can also powder around like the gloss area and just you can blend it more with your finger. It already looks so much more youthful. What the hell is going on here? Okay, I'm also gonna be going in, maybe what I'll do is I'll go in with maybe a brown liner or something that's really, really subtle. Just like a tight line. I'm not even gonna do that winged line look either. I'm gonna kind of do like a light lipstick look with my Pat McGrath. I think this is in Flesh 3. I just like to make my lips look a little bit more red and then put a gloss over it, so. Okay, and then I'm gonna be going with my Glossier lip gloss. Freaking love this one. You guys are always asking me like what I'm using in all of my videos. I'm literally using the Glossier gloss. So this is pretty much it for my glass skin tutorial. My skin, honestly, I feel like I did a huge transformation on this. It looks very smooth and also looks really glossy and just, yeah, glass-like. And I still was able to do this with textured and porous skin. So those of you out there that have that, it's possible, you're able to do it. I feel like the key products in this video was the WOWDER. The face gloss did everything I needed it to, and it honestly looks a lot more natural on my skin. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures as well. I'm gonna do some close-ups so y'all can see how my skin is looking. And yeah, try it out and let me know what you guys think. If you want to go ahead and tag me, I would love to see it on Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, bye guys.